What's up today, guys? I am going to the beach soon, so I need a sand scooper. I don't want to pay the $150 fee to buy a sand scooper offline, so I'm going to try to make my own. Now, this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to use these little clampy guys. These are U-bolts. I bought 2 of them. They are $2.19 a piece. I'm going to attach them to a rake handle. I'm going to take my rake off my handle. I only need the sand scooper once a year, so for a week, because I don't live near the beach. I have to actually drive pretty far to go to the beach. And then I bought this guy right here. Well, this is a feed scooper. Feed scoop. Professional farm grade feed scoop. And this guy right here was $9.99. So I'm gonna drill some holes in it. I'm gonna attach it to a rake handle, and I think I'm gonna have me a sand scooper for about $15.23. That's with tax. So let's see what happens here, guys. This is my rake that I'm going to take apart, and I'm going to use this handle. I'm not sure what it is. I think it's wood. It is wood. But for my application purposes, for digging up some sand, this should do just fine. So, see if we can take this off here pretty easily. Get that off. Oh yeah, it's nice pointy there. Now this has even got a little soft cushion thing to the handle. Let's see, these U-bolts are going to go right like that and tighten down to my scoop. Once I get scoop holes drilled into it. And I'm going to mark these guys where I want them. I kind of want one up high and then one down here kind of low. Straight. As straight as I can get them anyway. Let's see what we can do here. Now these are metal, wood, and everything. They're supposed to do it all. Metal, wood, plastic, PVC. Alright guys, I just want to mention that you should probably have eye protection on and gloves on. And also have a file, like a round metal file. The metal shards that the drilling creates could possibly take out your eye. And wear gloves because the actual holes that you make are very sharp. I did cut myself one time while making this, but just as a warning, please wear gloves, eye protection, and have a metal file to file down the holes. Alright guys, now there's my 4 holes for the U-bolts to attach to my rake handle. I want my rake handle to go clear across the top of it. I'm also not going to put any big holes like in this area or right down the center of this, just to give it a nice solid support right through there. Alright guys, I'm going to try to finish this sand scooper today. I was inside trying to do it the other night, and I was getting metal shavings everywhere where I was drilling, and I'm sure the wife wouldn't like that in the house too much, so I decided to pause my construction, and now I'm outside trying to do it. One thing I would have to say, if you're going to do this on your own, is to get you a little round file
because the inside of these holes that I drilled are pretty sharp. So I'm just trying to straighten them out a little bit, pop off the pieces like my drill bit may. I mean, you might even have a better drill than me, so you might not have to deal with this at all if you do. Mine's just a multi-type drill that does wood and plastic and metal, so if you get one that just does metal, it may work out better for you. And hey, 15, 16 bucks. Seems like it's going to be just fine. Alright guys, I kind of etched out a couple little notches here, just so when I tighten it down it don't slide out, just so it don't slide out. So guys, there you have it. Perfect height. It's even got a little cushion handle on it. I think for 16 bucks, guys, it's gonna do me some pretty good. How to make you a sand scoop for metal detecting under $16. I got $15.23 in it. Please make sure you file down those holes. I did cut myself. Sand scooper under $16. Please like and subscribe.